Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to write a heartfelt teacher appreciation letter. This is one of the most meaningful letters you can send, and when written well, it really shows your gratitude and respect for a teacher who made a difference in your life. So grab a pen or open your notes, and let's dive into each part of this letter together. We're going to follow the structure exactly as it appears in the letter template, without skipping or rearranging any sections. I'll explain what to write, why it matters, and how to make your message feel genuine and thoughtful. Sender's information. We begin at the very top of the letter with your own contact details. This includes your full name, your address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number. This section is important because it lets the teacher know exactly who the letter is from and how to get in touch with you if they'd like to respond. Whether you're a current or former student, it's always a good idea to provide your full details so they can clearly recognize who's expressing their appreciation. Date. Next comes the date. This should be the day you're writing or sending the letter. It goes right underneath your contact information and is a standard part of formal correspondence. Including the date adds a sense of formality and also helps record when the appreciation was expressed, especially if the letter becomes something the teacher keeps. Recipient's information. After the date, we write the recipient's details, which include teacher's full name, school address, city, state, zip code. This identifies who the letter is for and ensures that it reaches the correct person if it's being delivered through the school. Make sure to use the teacher's full name and the official school information to keep the format professional and respectful. Subject line. Now let's talk about the subject line. Subject, thank you for your dedication and guidance. This simple subject sets the tone for the letter. It clearly tells the teacher why you're writing to thank them for their dedication and the positive influence they've had. A good subject line should be direct yet warm, and this one does exactly that. It invites the teacher to read on and lets them know your message is one of gratitude. Salutation. Then we move to the greeting. Dear teacher's last name, always use a respectful salutation, especially when addressing a teacher. Dear followed by their last name is the most appropriate form. Even if you're on familiar terms, keeping it formal at the start shows a level of appreciation and professionalism. Opening paragraph, expressing general appreciation. Let's dive into the body of the letter, starting with the first paragraph. I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to express my heartfelt appreciation for the incredible impact you have had on our learning experience. Your dedication, patience, and enthusiasm have truly made a difference in the classroom and beyond. This opening paragraph sets the emotional tone of the letter. You start with a courteous phrase, I hope this message finds you well, which is always a nice touch in any formal or semi-formal letter. Then you move straight into why you're writing, to express appreciation. Here you want to speak broadly about the teacher's positive qualities and influence. Words like dedication, patience, and enthusiasm acknowledge not just their hard work, but also the energy and heart they bring to teaching. This paragraph should reflect your sincere gratitude and open up the letter on a warm, genuine note. Second paragraph, sharing specific impact. Next comes the most detailed and personal part of the letter. Throughout the school year, your commitment to teaching has been evident in the way you make each lesson engaging and meaningful. You have not only imparted knowledge, but also inspired curiosity, confidence, and a love of learning that will stay with us, for years to come. Your encouragement and support have been invaluable, especially during challenging moments. This paragraph is all about showing, not just telling, how the teacher made a difference. Mention their teaching style, their ability to make lessons come alive, and how they inspired you. If you're a student who faced tough times, maybe struggling with a subject, adjusting to school life, or dealing with personal issues, this is where you can acknowledge how their encouragement helped. What makes this paragraph powerful is the emotional truth behind it. You're not just thanking the teacher for doing their job, you're appreciating the way they went above and beyond to help you grow as a learner and a person. By including details like inspired curiosity and confidence, you're explaining the kind of lasting impact they've had. These aren't just temporary feelings, they're tools you'll carry with you throughout your life. Third paragraph, acknowledging their broader contribution. Now we transition into the final body paragraph. Teachers like you play a powerful role in shaping the future, and I want you to know that your efforts have not gone unnoticed. Thank you for going above and beyond every day to help your students succeed. This part of the letter zooms out a little to acknowledge the teacher's larger role. It's not just about how they affected you, but how teachers in general help shape communities and futures. When you say things like, "Your efforts have not gone unnoticed," you're giving them the recognition they deserve on a deeper level. You also reinforce the idea that they are not only doing a job, they're fulfilling a calling. This paragraph adds depth to your appreciation by honoring the profession as a whole while highlighting that this particular teacher embodies all those good qualities. Closing statement, ending on a warm note. We now come to the closing of the letter, which reads, "With sincere gratitude and respect, your full name." This simple, genuine closing wraps up the message perfectly. "With sincere gratitude and respect" is a warm and respectful way to say goodbye, and it matches the tone of the rest of the letter beautifully. Then you add your name to close it off formally. If you're delivering a hard copy, you may also include a handwritten signature just above your typed name for that extra personal touch. And that's it. That's how you write a teacher appreciation letter that's both professional and heartfelt. Before we wrap up, here's a quick summary of what we covered. Always start with your full contact information and the date. Address the teacher formally and use a clear subject line. In the body, start with a warm opening, follow with specific appreciation and examples, and end by acknowledging their wider impact. Close the letter sincerely and respectfully. Taking the time to write this kind of letter can mean the world to a teacher. It shows that their hard work truly made a difference. And that's the kind of message that stays with someone for a lifetime. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need to write their own letter of appreciation. Don't forget to subscribe to Writing Practices for more tutorials just like this. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments. I always love hearing from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.